In this video, I show you how to change your mouse cursor in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is if you want to change the default cursor, just go to your favorite browser and here just write on Google search Sweezy cursors. From here, just click on this particular website. Here you can get all the fun cursors down here. Whatever you want to download, just click on download for Windows like so. And once it is downloaded, it will be in a zip file. So what we need to do is we need to extract this. So let's right click here and click on extract all and click on extract. Now, once it is extracted, you will see this 2 signs right here, or maybe more depending on the cursor pack you have selected. And after that, when you want to apply that, just go to start menu and right here settings, just go to settings, and on the left corner, we can find a setting right here, mouse, which will show you this mouse settings. Just click on that, and under here just click on additional mouse settings down here. Under here we go to pointers, and from here the normal select is set to the default one. I'll just browse and select the downloads, and here just go to the folder and select the cursor and click on apply. As you can see, the cursor is applied now. It's an animated cursor, and also if we scroll down a little bit, we can customize this one as well because that's also given in the cursor pack. Click on apply, and that's how we do it. So whenever a mouse pointer comes, it will be animated like this. And whenever a finger pointer comes, it will show something like this. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.